In this short video, we're going to be discussing discontinuities, how to view them, review them, and delete them as necessary. For today, we have a flight plan loaded here from Montgomery Airport to Deer Valley Airport via direct to Mission Bay. We can kind of take a look at this. Victor 66 to Imperial, J18 to Hogs. And we have a discontinuity here where we've loaded the Harlan 4 arrival with the Mohawk transition. So that's the one we're going to be taking a look at today. In order to better view that discontinuity, I have us in plan mode. And if we go over here to the MFD Advanced menu, we know that that discontinuity was at Hogs, so we can actually just use the little center function here, put Hogs into the scratch pad and center, put it in center, and now we've seen the plan view moves right over to Hogs, and we can see right here is the discontinuity. There's no line connecting us to Hogs and Mohawk, so the airplane is not going to know, the FMS is not going to know how to get there. So if we come over here to legs, there's actually a couple different ways to delete a discontinuity. I'm going to show you both of them. So we can come here to legs, we can use the next function key until we get to that discontinuity. And here we see the discontinuity. The first way we can do it is simply to select the delete key, put delete into the scratch pad, and then line select L3, and that discontinuity is going to go away. And what you're going to see is a dashed line. You don't see much of it here because it's not very big, but there's a dashed line there telling us that what's going to happen when we execute this flight plan. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that so I can show you the other way to delete that discontinuity. So we've now deleted it or canceled that modification, and we show it there. The other way to do it is simply to line select the waypoint below the discontinuity and then line select the discontinuity. And you'll see that does the exact same thing, and the discontinuity is now gone. If we wanted to execute that, we could execute that, and now that becomes a straight line. So that's an easy way for you to identify where the discontinuity is using the plan view and to delete that. To take your plan view back to where you were before, simply go back to your MFD Advanced menu, select the delete key and push it into the center waypoint, and it will go back to your first waypoint.